Good morning, students. Today start the third video of chapter 1, Good and Service Tax. Good and Service Tax. Third video of chapter 1, Good and Service Tax. Question number 13. The printed price of an article is rupees 40,000. A wholesaler in Uttar Pradesh buy the article from a manufacturer in Gujarat at a discount of 10% on the printed price. The wholesaler sell the article to a retailer in Himachal is 5% above the printed price. If the rate of GST of the article is 18%, find the amount inclusive of tax under GST paid by the wholesaler for the article. The amount inclusive of tax under GST paid by the state government. Again repeated here. The wholesalers sell the article to a retailer in Himachal at 5% above the printed price. If the rate of GST of article is 18%, first find out the amount inclusive of tax under GST paid by the wholesaler for the article. The amount inclusive of tax under GST paid by the retailer for the article. The amount of tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to the central government. The amount of tax under GST received by the central government. Now, manufacturer in Gujarat and wholesaler in Uttar Pradesh. Here cost price equal to 40,000 to 10%, 10 upon 100, because the 10% is the discount. So 40,000 minus 4,000 equal to 36,000. 36,000 is the cost price. Now amount of IGST. Amount of IGST collected by the manufacturer from wholesaler or paid by the wholesaler to the manufacturer, that is your input IGST. 36,000 into 18 upon 100. Now 6,480 input IGST, rupees 6,480. Retailer in Himachal Pradesh. Retailer in. Now selling price 40,000 plus 40,000 into 5 upon 100. 40,000 plus 2,000. Selling price is equal to 42,000. Now output IGST is equal to 42,000 into 18 upon 100. 7,560 output IGST. Now wholesaler pay for the article. Wholesaler pay for the article 36,000 plus 6,480, 42,480, and retailer pay for the article 42,000 plus 7,560 tax. Now 49,560. Retailer pay for the article. Amount of tax under GST received by the central government is 7,560. And fourth part is amount of tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to a central government. 7,560 minus 6,480. Answer is rupees 1,080. Now question number 17. Kiran purchased an article of rupees 5,310, which include 10% rebate on the market price and 18% tax under GST on the remaining price. Find the market price of the article. Let the market price equal to rupees x. Rebate x into 10 upon 100. X upon 10. Price after rebate. X minus x upon 10. Now 10x minus x equal to 9x upon 10. Now here GST is equal to 9x upon 10 equal to 18 upon 100. Now 18 9 is 162. 18 9 is 162. X upon 100. So here given to the 9x upon 10 plus 1.62 upon x upon 10, 5310. 10 LCM, 9x plus 1.62x, 10.62 upon 10x. So here answer is x equal to 5310 into 10 upon 10.62. Now answer comes to here is rupees 5000. 5000 is the answer. Question number 18. A shopkeeper buy an article whose list price is rupees 8000 at some rate of discount from a wholesaler. He sells the article to a consumer at the list price. The sale are intra-state and the rate of GST is 18%. If the shopkeeper pay for the GST is rupees 72 to the state government, find the rate of discount at which they bought the article from the wholesaler. Now selling price rupees 8000. Output as GST 8000 into 9 upon 100. 720. Shopkeeper for a tax rupees 72. So output as GST minus input GST 72. 720 minus input GST is equal to 72. Now 720 minus 720 52 72 is equal to input GST. Input GST is equal to rupees 648. Input GST is equal to rupees 648. Let the price after the discount is rupees X. Rupees X. Let price after the discount is rupees X. Now X into 9 upon 100. X into 9 upon 100 equal to 648. Now value of X equal to 648 upon 9 into 100. Value of X equal to rupees 72,000. Value rupees 72,000. So discount here is 8000 minus 7200. Discount is equal to 800. Let the rate of discount is equal to y%. Let the rate of discount is equal to y%. 8000 into y upon 100 is equal to 800. Now 800 into 100 upon 8000. So here cut out the zeros. Now remaining is equal to y is equal to 10%. Discount is equal to 10%. This is the answer. Okay children, this video is your over.